Member form fields allows you to create form fields which are used for member-level registration forms and directories. To add a new form field, click on Preferences from the BannerRoster dashboard. Click on Member Form Fields. Click on Add New Form Field. Fill in the appropriate fields to create your new field. Field label is the name of the field. Under Field Type, choose the type of field it will need to be. Create a unique ID for the field No Spaces Allowed next to Script ID. Type in the words under label notes to display under the label on the form. Value notes are the words to display under the form field created. Choose Yes next to Required to be required on forms or No to leave it unrequired when filling out the form. Encrypt the field allows you to choose to encrypt the field when entering in the value. Unique field allows you to specify if the form field is unique, typically used when creating a username or password field, which will allow a member to log in. Verify fields. Choose if the field needs to be entered against another field on the form. Create a new Verify field. Choose if you want there to be a Verify field added to verify the value entered when the form is submitted. Include a searchable field allows you to choose if this field can be searchable. Admin Notes allows you to add admin notes which can only be viewed by admin only. Configuration allows you to make changes to the field. This varies depending on what type of field is chosen. Click Verify Form Field and click Submit to continue. Click Return back to Member Form Fields. To edit a form field, click on Preferences from the BannerRoster dashboard. Click on Member Form Fields. Click on Modify next to the form field. Modify the information as needed and click Verify Form Field. Click Submit to continue. To delete a form field, click on Preferences from the BannerRoster dashboard. Click on Member Form Fields. Click on Delete next to the form field you wish to delete. Click on Delete Form Field to continue.